Let me say just a few words before closing this webinar. So for short, we have a quite vast team at task group 8.1. And in the last years, we have been developing this guide, a guide for protection, repair, and strengthening methods for concrete structures. This guide was written, each chapter, it has 24 chapters, each one corresponding to a method. It was developed, each chapter, by a team that had at least a researcher, a designer, and a contractor. It is organized now in FIB Bulletin 102. This webinar is about this bulletin that addresses the protection and repair methods, and Bulletin 103 that addresses the strengthening methods. Each bulletin has 12 chapters. The Bulletin 103 will have a webinar on October 12th, so you are welcome. You may register soon at the website of FIB. And so to conclude, I would like to thank all authors that developed this guide, that made these two bulletins, 102, 103. I also would like to thank the reviewers of the chapters that were appointed by the authors. Then I would like also to thank the reviewers that were members. So there was a two-step review process. The second step, the bulletins were reviewed by COM8 members and task group 3.4 members. So I'd like to thank all of them also. And last but not least, many thanks to all speakers that were also available for presenting today their chapters. And thank you for all attendees for being present. And I hope this was helpful and that you have now a good idea of what is Bulletin 102. So thank you very much, you all. FIB, Corinne, I think she has here the links to the bulletins, and she is also drawing your attention to the fact that this webinar will be posted in the YouTube channel of FIB in a few weeks. Okay, you can subscribe using also this link. So please tell your colleagues that could not attend this webinar that they can still watch it at this YouTube platform of FIB. So thank you very much. We have now concluded the program. I hope see you next webinar in October 12th. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much also from my side. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.